Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your TCL Android TV Wi-Fi keeps turning off issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is restart your TV and router. So unplug both your TCL Android TV and Wi-Fi router from the power outlet. Then wait for at least half a minute, then plug them back in. Turn both devices back on and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Then from here, we want to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. So go to settings and then click into network and internet. Then from here, select your Wi-Fi network and choose to forget it. Then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. And also disable network auto switching. So some TCL TVs automatically switch networks or disconnect if the signal is weak. So go to settings, device preferences, networks, Wi-Fi preferences. Turn off options like auto connect, switch to mobile data if available, and also check for software updates. So outdated firmware can cause network instability. So go to settings, device preferences, about system update, then update your TV if one is available. Fix number 5, change your Wi-Fi band. So this is inside your router settings. So if your router supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, try switching to the other. TCL's TVs often connect more reliably to 2.4 GHz in a long range situations. Alright, so if all else fails, we might need to factory reset your TV. So go to settings, device preferences, reset, factory data reset. But be careful, this will erase all data and settings, so keep that in mind. And then reconnect Wi-Fi afterwards.